Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set reminders on MeetYou. But first, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Reminders in the middle section. And here you can see what kinds of reminders you can set. It depends on which goal is selected. You can set period reminder, and you can see that those buttons next to the name of the reminders. If they are pink, then they are turned on, and if they are gray, then they are turned off. And this is how you set the reminders on MeetYou, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!